Wade Drain, serving our customers since 1865. Step 1. Measuring from the floor to the center of the outlet, find your dimension. Step 2. Loosen the bolts on the support feet. To obtain a lower profile, break off the tabs on the bottom of the faceplate. Step 3. Set the support feet to desired rough-end size and tighten bolts. Step 4. Align the carrier fitting with the provided gasket. Step 5. Attach the assembled faceplate to the carrier fitting with provided bolts. Step 6. Attach the rear anchor foot to the carrier fitting. Please note, the anchor foot can be reversed to accommodate smaller chase areas. Step 7. Once the faceplate is set and you have achieved the correct height, you can loosen the bolts between the faceplate, fitting, and rear anchor foot to make the final adjustments for the height of the fitting. Step 8. Tighten all of the bolts. Note, there is a ridge in the center of the outlet for the placement of the provided O-ring. Use petroleum jelly to lube the O-ring. Every kit comes with a 5/8" threaded rod and cap nuts. Final steps include installing the bowl saver nut to protect the water closet during installation, installing the coupling and neoprene gasket that makes the connection between the carrier and the water closet. From the entire team at Wade, thank you, and we do appreciate your business.